is kind of like the diagram that we use. And we do 8 rotations in each of the 4 movements, so where the blue arrows are. And so the tips to that is don't break contact once you make contact, and then start and end on the same side. So I normally start on this side, and I normally feel for like where their shoulder bone is, like here.
And how do you turn that on?
Right here. So you just roll it up. I do about halfway. Start, 1, 2. How's that pressure feel?
Good.
3.
Should this take from start to finish?
I'd say about 1.5 to 2 minutes.
And you're not going on the bone, right?
No,
you're
trying to avoid the bone.
How do you know if you're hitting the bone?
You can feel it. This part will kind of like bounce.
It's kind of like rattling. Right? Yeah.
Okay, so with massages, you want your client to stay relaxed, so you don't want to lift and then like lift it up and start again, because every time you put it back down, they tense up. So you want to go. Say this is your last one, and then swoop, keep contact.